Hey there. Juggling multiple student loans with different rates and due dates? Using SoFi for student loan consolidation can simplify your life by combining them into one new loan with a single monthly payment. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to explore it. The process is very similar to refinancing. On SoFi.com, go to Student Loan Refinancing. During the application, you'll list all the federal and/or private student loans you want to consolidate. SoFi will offer you a new, single interest rate based on your credit profile. If you accept, they pay off your old loans, and you make one payment to SoFi. My crucial pro tip? Consolidation is different from federal direct consolidation. What SoFi offers is private consolidation, refinancing. This is great for simplifying payments and potentially lowering rates, but remember, consolidating federal loans privately with SoFi means losing federal benefits. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. That's how you turn a confusing pile of loans into one manageable debt. Are you looking to consolidate mainly to simplify, or is getting a lower rate your primary goal? Tell me below. For more guides on simplifying student debt, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.